So, as promised, here is my review of Nomada Container Hotel in Panama City, Panama. This hotel is kind of like a hostel, so if that's not your thing, you may want to keep scrolling through. So, here's the inside. It was really cute and cozy in there. Like, it's long because it's, a container, but it was nice. There was a full kitchen, full size fridge and freezer. There was a full bathroom. Well, I was a little, jacked up, but there's full bathroom in there. The shower was a little interesting. I guess that water heater was directly on the shower head, so that made it a little like, what am I doing? But other than that, I mean, it was cool. It did what it needed to do. Low key, I was just happy there was hot water because I was definitely worried about that staying in a container. So now the bedroom. The bedroom was super simple, full size bed. It was comfy. I was like, okay, this is good enough. It was perfect for 2 nights. I mean, the kitchenette was on point. The little living room with the television. I was good. I liked it.